Welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Makagbo. We talk about everything in this channel, guys. Yes, we do. Anything our eyes, ideas grab, we do talk about it, guys. Okay? Today's topic is about profitable business you can start in Sierra Leone. Our local people need us. Yes, our local people need us. These businesses you can start today and you start making money. You get customers straight away. You don't need to look for customers. Customers are already waiting for these businesses to be there. Guys, what are we waiting? Sierra Leoneans, get up. Get up, let's go start these businesses. These 4 businesses I want to share with you. They're profitable business. So number 1, ice business, ice block business. This is a business the fisherman want, the restaurants people want, the local people are selling water, soft drinks. They want to cool their drinks. They can buy ice block from you. Yes. Before this fisherman goes to the sea to fishing, to catch all these big catch fish, kuta, all these fish, they need ice. Without them, they don't go to the sea. You're making bags of ices to supply them. Guys, there is a market. There is a market. There is a profitable business with this. Start ice business today. Solar panels are there. Solar panels are there. You can import them from China, Turkey, Italy, all these places. You can get, even UK. You can get solar panel. Look at the ice when they're getting the ice ready to go to the sea to catch these fishes. Because if they don't have ice, the fish will go bad. They need something to cool the fish until they get to the wharf where they supply all these fish to the ladies so they can sell. Or else, except they dry this fish. Or sometimes you don't get fish at all in Sierra Leone. The next one is carpentry. Carpentry, it's all the things people don't talk about. We need coaches. We need coaches, people that can train our local carpentry so they can be more productive. They can have more design, more ideas to make wardrobe, table. Look at this table dresser. It's so nice. It got storage everywhere, doors. Instead, we're just import all this stuff from Italy, China, and these same people come to Sierra Leone to get the timber. This timber you're looking at, it comes from Sierra Leone. It comes from Africa in general. But yet we cannot design this stuff. Why the government cannot choose 10 or 20 people to send them to these places just to get more ideas, to train them? Once you train them, they come back to the country, they will be able to get good pay and train other carpentry, coach them. I bet those ones, when they train those 10 people, it can spread, the skills can spread around to other people, so other people can be able to train by them. Please, government, you need to reach out to these people to help them. It's not everything you guys need to make money out of. Sometimes you have to give out of your pocket. That's why we don't need poor government. We need people that who are rich to go into government so they can able help other people, not just to take from the people money they got. Look at all these tables to design them. Guys, the next one is chicken farming. Chicken farming is a profitable business that you can start anyhow. But we don't have coaches. We don't have people to train these people to get this livestock. We need goat, sheep, cow, duck, all this livestock. We need farmers. We need somebody that can train them how to grow them well, like the medication, the feeding, the lighting, the temperature, everything. Okra, look at all these things. When you're doing farming, it's not just what, like let's say for an example, if you're doing chicken, not just chicken. You'll be doing even fish farming, you'll be doing goat, cow, you'll be doing a lot of other things. You can even rent your machine, your water pump, everything to other people. So you'll be making money and you'll be training and coaching other people with their livestock so that they can grow well and be profitable for their businesses. You see? So we need all these things. We need them. We need more farmers. We need coach, people that can train them. That's what we need in Sierra Leone. We lack of the education. It's just schooling, practical. We're missing the practical. You finish school, what do you do with the schooling? Let's try to do practical work. Fish farming is another big business people can do in Sierra Leone. I know we got landscape and everything, but sometimes we're short of fish. We can do fish farming as well. Eggs imported, chicken imported, meat imported. What is all that? Why God give us rain season and dry season? It's something we need to study so we can be profitable. Let's begin farmers. Farmers beginners is very, very profitable business. We just need somebody to educate us and train us so that we will be able to get all these skills in Sierra Leone. Please, Papa government, you too, you need to reach out. You need to open farmers and coach people or train people. I know our first lady got a farmer, but I don't know how they do that because I don't see a YouTube channel. But they need coaches. The next one is water. Number 4, water, guys. I also got a bonus for you guys at the end. Stay tuned. Watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to others. Water bouncer. If you have water bouncer, you'll be able to supply lots of people with water. Like people who are in the hills, they don't have access to water. If you have this water bouncer, you can go buy water to the government. When you have the water to the government, if it's drinking water, you get where to buy it. If it's water just to flush their toilet or to wash their clothes, you know, to fill up there. It's a miller tank that you can have your water bouncer, you fill it up and you go around and fill up their water tanks, these miller tanks, okay? People are, they're ready to pay money because they need water, guys, okay? So if you start this water bouncing business, it's good. People drink water in Sierra Leone now. Even drinking water they have to buy. Washing water they have to buy. You know, to wash your laundry you have to buy water. So if you start this business, it's a good business. You can rent the water bouncer. I don't know where you rent it or how you get hold of that, but I'm just sharing the idea. When I visit Sierra Leone, I see people, tons of people struggling for water. So this is a business you could start with little money and you make plenty money. Money hides in these places. Money hides in these places. The next one is onions farming. Onions farming is another business people don't talk about. Can you believe Sierra Leoneans imported onions as well? We do. 100% of it is all imported. It's only small quantity they make in the country. They farm in the country because of the lack of the machine to dry the onions. You know, these tools you can import it into the country, but this kind of things you don't. Start the business instead. Farming, it's a profitable. So guys, look at this Europe. They come to our country, get our raw materials, they export them to their country, then they finish, make them. When they finish, they import them back in Sierra Leone. So all these ones I share with you, it's something we could start. Like this onions dryer, you can see when you harvest your onions, you use this machine to dry it so the onions can stay longer. You see, so we need coaches, we need trainers to help our local people in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is going down the drain, I'm telling you. So guys, please, if this video add any value to you, subscribe and like and share, and also comment your thoughts if I'm wrong or if I'm not. I'm just sharing my ideas because I visit the country all the time and I see people are struggling with this. So it's things we all have to work in hand and help. The government too, they need to help. Let them stop keeping all this money in boxes, buy houses in Europe. They should be investing themselves into the country as well.